Hello guys, welcome back to the video from the E-Innovators. In today's video, we are going to answer 7 important questions about Raspberry Pi. So without wasting any further ado, let's jump into the video. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do it to watch our latest uploads as soon as possible. Let's get started. Question number 1. What is the Raspberry Pi used for? The Raspberry Pi is an inexpensive Visa card measured PC that connects to a PC screen or TV and requires a standard console and mouse for utilization. It is a useful little gadget or a device that empowers individuals of any age to investigate, explore, and figure out how to program in different programming languages like Scratch and Python. Question number 2. How does the Raspberry Pi work? Here are the means by which it works. A SD card plugged into one of the opening slots on the board goes about as the hard drive for the Raspberry Pi. It is controlled by the USB, and the video yield can be snared to a conventional RCA TV set, an increasingly present day screen, modern PC, or even a TV with the help of a HDMI cable. Question number 3. What should I buy with a Raspberry Pi? 4 essentials: 4 GB SD card, power lead, HDMI cable, USB operated or wireless keyboard and mouse. 2 optionals: internet cable in case of a Wi-Fi model. Normally a Raspberry Pi only has 2 ports. In case of additional ports, you might require a USB hub. Question number 4. Is it worth getting a Raspberry Pi? The Raspberry Pi is promoted as the $35 PC. At its center, that's actually what it is, a working PC for $35. Notwithstanding, the cost just incorporates the motherboard in addition to your most essential info and yield association, HDMI, USB, 3.5mm power source, and so on. On the other hand, you can get a truly modest PC for $45 to $50. So it's clearly your call. However, it's always fun to work with something new or different. That's just my opinion. Question number 5. Can a Raspberry Pi run Android? Google's Android working framework appears to be an incredible fit for the Raspberry Pi. Be that as it may, you don't have to wait that long for Google to build the official variant of Android. It's as of now conceivable to introduce and run Android applications on your Raspberry Pi with RT Android. Question number 6. What programming language does Raspberry Pi use? Python. Raspbian comes preloaded with Python, the official programming language of the Raspberry Pi, and IDLE3, a Python integrated development environment. Question number 7. What is the most powerful Raspberry Pi? The most remarkable Raspberry Pi presently has 8 GB of RAM. The Raspberry Pi Foundation has multiplied the most extreme measure of RAM accessible in the Raspberry Pi 4 to 8 GB with the latest device it's selling for $75. Bonus question. Question number 8. Can I run Netflix on Raspberry Pi? Your Raspberry Pi is now the ultimate media center. That's it. You would now be able to stream Netflix and Amazon videos on Raspberry Pi, and it could without much of your spread stream videos from another PC to your system by means of Plex. To put it plainly, your Kodi based Raspberry Pi media focus is great. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe the channel to watch our latest uploads as soon as possible. Also join us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links are in the description below. See you guys in the next video shortly. Bye bye, stay safe, peace out.